Hey, Michelle, how are you?
I'm great, Christine. So, hey, Christine, I have a lot of clients with families of young children. Do you have any advice to best protect their kids, their children?
Yes. So, hey, here's why this information is so important because families who have minor children, they're very afraid. They have this fear that if something happens to them, um, they don't have guardians named for their kids, or they don't have the right people, or they don't even know what they don't know. So, I like to talk to people about some mistakes that people make when naming guardians for their kids. And one of the first mistakes is the fact that they don't have enough. They might only name one guardian, or maybe their parents, or their sister and brother-in-law. If something happens to them, then they're going to run out of people who they have to care for their children in the event that something happens to that person or the couple. The other concern about naming guardians is that they don't have short-term guardians named. And so that's something that I specialize in, is what we call kids protection planning. Not only long-term guardianship, meaning who would raise your children until they turned 18, they became adults, but also the short-term first responders. So many attorneys don't have this kind of practice. They don't provide this planning to their clients, and it's so important. Another thing is not specifically naming exactly who you want to be the guardian. So imagine you name your sister and brother-in-law. And what would happen if really the person you wanted to be the guardian was your sister, but something happened to her? Maybe they get a divorce. Now you've named both of them without being really clear on exactly who you really want to be the guardian. And it can lead to some very unhappy and unforeseen circumstances. So easy to make these three common mistakes when it comes to naming guardians. Something really important to think about when it comes to putting this kind of planning in place. So yeah, 3 tips for today.
That was very detailed. And I know that's just, even that little snippet is going to help a lot of families help make their decisions when they come to making an estate plan. So thanks so much, Christine.
Thank you.